reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe. Screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
I still have hope. So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living existing when you can't see a God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they straight and plain instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with the helping hand. Well, I still have hope. So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living existing when you can't see a God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they straight and plain instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with the helping hand. I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. 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 Get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything.
I'm solo dancing on